So if you're squeamish, you might want to look away, but here at Little Irvin Farm, we try not to let any animal's life go away in vain. So this little fishy died in our pond, and I think the best way to honor them is to not let them just rot away, but to kind of let them be part of our little farm here. So yeah, if you're squeamish, we're just gonna give this little guy to the chickens, because I just don't believe an animal's death should be in vain. So trying not to get political, but if you do kill animals, don't kill animals and for no reason, I guess. But you know, not a big animal killer. So anywho, here we go, ladies. Chicken nuggets ready, ladies. Oh, it looks like Mrs. Doubtfire got it. Misty, did you get a fish? Oh. All the other ladies are very jealous.